Hello and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today we're gonna talk about state object, the new property wrapper that came to the new version of SwiftUI. State object property wrapper was created with a specific purpose in mind to fill a gap in state management. So when you create a reference type, a class, inside one of the apps view, the state object wrapper will keep it alive and accessible to the view and to the other views which may use it. So let's see an example. Let's create a class, and here we'll say class, and I will name this class app_vm from app_view_model, and this will be an observable object, and we will add a property that will name currency. It will be a string by default, and we'll give it the value US. Okay. In the previous version of SwiftUI, the way to create an instance for a class inside the view, because this is a struct and on every change SwiftUI destroys the struct, we used observed object, and we can do it like that even now. So we'll say var app_vm, and now we'll create an instance of the class. This is fine, and let's also print it. So we'll say currency, and here we're gonna interpolate the value. We'll say app_vm and dot currency, and I hit resume, and you will see that it still works. So we have our value displayed here, but this was not bulletproof because there were cases when observed object released accidentally the object that was storing, and you would have some unexpected crashes of the app and you wouldn't know what's wrong. So to fix this, if you develop for iOS 14, you will just replace this observed object with the state object, and you're done. You will have no more problems related to this issue. This was a really short video, but I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, if you want to receive more news from my side, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button, because this will help grow my channel. Until the next time, I wish you all the best.